Guys, I have a cute little dragon. Please like and subscribe. This cute little dragon wishes you will subscribe to it. It will love it. And yes, this is a keyring holder one. It means you can put on a keyring. I do not have a store page right now because I don't have permission from the actual person who made it, so I can't exactly sell it without their permission. But this is a nice keyring. Please like and subscribe. It will help me out with the algorithm, and maybe I'll set up a store page in the future with the permission from the actual creators who does these basics, and I might sell some in the future, but I do not want to step on their feet. I love 3D printing. If you want to know a little bit about me, as I bought 2 3D printers a few years ago, which are discontinued now, and I'm going to have to repair them sooner or later because they don't really sell the parts, but I can repair all the parts because they're all basically open source at this point, or at least parts I can find. I may have to upgrade later. But this is a cute little dragon mini one. It's really fantastic. And yes, I do have money to buy a new printer every once in a while, if I need to. Otherwise, and if you wonder what that bed is for, it's for a cat. Mr. Mouse will come up here and there's his food. No, that's just treats. He will eat more than that, actually. It's just the dog will eat it if it's on the floor. Poochie comes over very often. He wants to eat the cat treats, and that's catnip flavor. Otherwise, I'll also be linking the filament that I am going to have on hand, and yes, my voice is kind of going out, but this guy is really cute, and this creator who made this has a lot of different ones. Now, what am I going to do with him? I don't know right now, but I'm thinking about maybe making some place I can put them, actually. I'll probably have to put stuff up to be able to put these guys on, but it's limited of how much space I truly have. But I might actually put a little decoration platform up later on for holding all the 3D prints to a point. Basically, a little shelf. I'm going to have to put up many of them to showcase all my 3D prints I've made over the years. I'm thinking that's the perfect thing to do with these guys. I just thought about it 2 seconds ago. And why not? I have a ton of knickknacks, and these guys are basically knickknacks. Why not make a whole litter of them? I will be able to do that soon and buy knickknack shelves like crazy. I probably should look on Amazon later and start shopping for the wood and the building materials and build it myself. I have a drill and the equipment, so I could probably put it together myself in no time. And I can buy the wood in town, literally. And then I can buy all the shelving equipment. I can print all the shelves online. And I can have a ton of these little knickknacks put up. That's going to be the next project. And after this video, I'm probably going to, after a few videos, I'm going to have to stop for a little bit. Because I'm going to have to print shelving. I just decided that. Or I'm going to buy metal shelving. And I'll just put the wood itself and buy the block of wood, buy the long pieces of wood. I just have thought about this during this video recording. Otherwise, talk to you guys next time. Like and subscribe, and please click on my primary channel because I do upload other stuff on that channel too. So this is just a technology and 3D print channel. If you want to see Kitty, go to the primary channel. Alright, bye.